Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Cognizant exam. Today, I have got various requests that many of you guys have not received the aptitude round assessment link. So, what happened with you and what you can do? So, let me just tell that. Okay. So, guys, if let's say if you have registered before the April, okay, and you got the assessment link on 14th of or 15th of April, okay, but the scene is if you have got communication assessment link along with the aptitude link, then you must have received the aptitude link, okay. But if you got only communication assessment link, then there might be a lesser probability that you will get aptitude round mail as well, because in this case when you received only communication assessment link and you don't have further notification when the aptitude round will be, when the technical round will be, you don't have information and you just got the communication assessment link, then you have to pass this assessment. That means you have to achieve 60% or 70% in communication assessment, then only they will give you the assessment link of aptitude round, okay. And let's say many of your friends have got the same mail but you have not received. Still, if you have confidence, then please mail to the AON team, okay. You have received that mail and there this mail is mentioned support at AON, okay. So please mail to them about your candidature, okay. So I hope you will do so, okay. So actually today I'm going to cover few of the aptitude round. Still, if you have not received the aptitude round mail, still prepare for that so that you don't miss that opportunity, okay. So let me start with the first question. So guys, if you have not been watching the all the playlist video, then please watch that so that you get selected, okay. So this is the first question of 2 days, that means on 21st of April. So at what rate of interest per annum would an amount of $750 yield a simple interest of $75 in 2 years? So 5 year 5%, 6%, 10%, or 4%, there are the given options, so please give the answer accordingly, okay. So 750, this is the value of P. So um, I hope you know the calculation formula for simple interest, that is PRT by 100, right? So the value of P is equal to 750 and the interest, simple interest is 75 itself, okay? And the year T is equal to 2, okay? So that means all the values are given, just they mentioned you to calculate the rate of interest, the value of R, right? So let me just calculate that. Okay, so 75 is equal to P is equal to 750 into R into 2 by 100, right? So 0 0, then 75, and what happened, yeah, 75 and 75, then 2 by 10, right? So R is equal to 10 by 2, so this becomes 5%, okay. So rate of interest will be 5%. So I hope you understood, guys, how I calculated, and I should not like explain this answer, like I should not elaborate that much because this is very easy questions. Just implement simple interest formula PRT by 100, you will get to know, okay. So let me go to the next question, that is this. Jim Hamlin sold his watch at a profit of $52 if he purchased the watch at $178. Then find the price at which he sold the watch. Okay. So guys, at the end, I'm going to give you a quiz question. So please give the answer. Okay. Okay. So for this as well, please give the answer in the comment section before I provide, and also give your status, like if you got the aptitude assessment link or not. And for many of you guys who have just filled the form by 15th of April, for those my request is your exam will be from 25th of April, so don't worry, your exam, your communication assessment will starting from 25th of April. So don't worry, okay? And afterwards, from 30th April or afterwards, you will get the aptitude assessment and technical assessment links, okay? So don't worry. So Jim Hamlin sold his watch at profit $52. So profit is equal to 52 and purchased the watch at $178. So cost price is equal to 178. The question is the find the price at which he sold the watch. So the selling price you have to calculate. So we know that selling price is equal to nothing but the profit plus the cost price, right? So profit plus cost price is given. So 52 plus 178. So that becomes 230, right? So I hope you've understood. So actually, as you can see, the shortcut is 52 and 178. You don't have to add all. So 2 and 8, this becomes 10, right? So 0 at the end. So 0 at the end in only one option. So you just blindly tick on option A. Okay. So I hope you've understood. Okay. So guys, to get this type of all aptitude questions, and these are all being repeated from the last year as well, so please consider our prime materials, in which you will get all the recent questions with answers, all the previous year questions, the repeated questions, coding questions and technicals and interviews, everything, mock test. So you just visit topmate.io/techno_uf. There you will find all the materials in a bundle, okay? So I hope you will do so, okay? So the next question is this. Read the information and answer the following question. The table shows the number of male and female employees who joined and left PQ Corp in 2014 at all their branches in different locations. So locations are provided in the left column, and males joined, females joined on 2014, and males left, females left, data are given. So the question is, what is the ratio of the number? I hope this is visible. Question is, what is the ratio of the number of males joined in Hyderabad, Simla and Bangalore branches to the number of females joined in Dubai, Delhi, Kochi and UAE? So you have to add all the numbers, like males joined in Hyderabad, Simla and Bangalore. So males joined in Hyderabad, Shimla and Bangalore. So three location, right? So Hyderabad, Bangalore and Simla. Yeah, this one. So 246 plus 526 plus 318. Okay, so we have to add that. Then number of females joined in Dubai, Delhi, Kochi and UAE. Okay, so females in DDKU, KDDU. So these four locations females you have to add. Okay, so 46. So just be careful if they have asked you left or joined. Okay, so this and this. So total you have to add this. So 46 plus 63 plus 84 plus 92, right? So just add this number. So 2 3 5 9 15. So 5 10 16 24 32. Sorry, 10 16 16 24 and 28. Sorry. So actually calculation might be wrong, but the process is okay. Okay, so just be careful about that. So just you have to add the females joined in these locations and males joined in these locations. So add this number and just get the proportion ratio. Okay, so you will get the desired answer. And I have not got the options, so whatever the answers will be, just calculate that and like tick on the correct answer. Okay, so just add, guys, I'm not doing that. So let me go to the next question. So the next question is this. While calculating the monthly expenditure of a business, calculation got wrong, then the total X amount was multiplied by 8 by 3 rather than 3 by 8. What percentage of inaccuracy can be expected in the overall calculation? Guys, this is being repeated for thousand times. Thousand times. I am not joking. This is being repeated thousand times. So expect one question from this type of error calculations. Okay, so I hope you know the calculation procedure for these. Percent of error is equal to error by, sorry, I mean wrong and right, correct. Okay, then right into 100, I mean wrong minus correct by correct into 100. Okay, so the expected is 3 by 8. Okay, expected, that means the right one is equal to 3 by 8 and the wrong one which they have made, that is 8 by 3. So you have to calculate that, right? So 8 by 3 minus 3 by 8 by 3 by 8. So 8 by 3 minus 3 by 8 by 3 by 8 into 100, right? So is equal to 24, 64 minus 9, 3 by 8 is into 100, right? So 8 3s are 24 and then 64 minus 9, so that becomes 55 by 9 into 100. Okay, so 55 by 9, yeah. So guys, get the calculation. The actually it will be 0.61. So the options are provided in the screenshot, so I'm not going to show the screenshots because of copyright issue. So this will be the answer. Okay, 0.61. Okay, so I hope your answer is also same. So please comment down if you liked this video or not, so that I'll be motivated, guys. And also please do subscribe so that I'll be motivated more. Okay, please guys. So actually what happens, if I see the views and the likes, I get motivated and I upload more and more videos. As you can see, actually today I took a leave from my office and I am uploading 2 videos in a day, and that is only for you guys, so that you perform well and you get updated with all the recent questions. Okay, and I could have enjoyed my day, but I am not. So please do motivate me so that I spend a lot time with you guys. Okay. Okay, so let me show the next question. That is this. Samantha has lent raise 1 lakh to her husband at 12% per annum simple interest. After the first year, her husband returned raise 6,000. What amount should he return at the end of the second year? So as you can see, guys, most of the questions are being asked in Cognizant from simple interest, compound interest, that means interest from interest, then from profit and loss, then chart based questions, then work, speed, time. So these are the main chapters they are going to ask you. Okay, so be prepared with these chapters. You can at least achieve 50% if you just like if you just perform well in these few chapters. Okay, so let me answer. So let me just calculate that. I hope you have already given the solutions in the comment section. So let's just cross verify. Okay. So here, I hope you know that is simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. So here P is equal to 1 lakh. I can write directly what's the simple interest, but for you, I'm just writing it. So 1 lakh, R is equal to 12 and T is equal to 1 by 100, right? So this becomes 12,000. So for first year, it is 12,000. At the end of the second year, he has to return the amount after deducting 6,000. Okay. So for 2 years, what will be the interest? Simple interest will be 24,000 and 6,000 he has returned. So that means 18,000 he have to total pay interest. So that means along with this total amount, he has to return this 18,000. So total 1,18,000 he has to return to his wife. Okay. So actually I got the screenshots, but I cannot show. So that's why please consider this. So this is the right option. Okay. So let me show you the last question of today's session, and that will be the quiz question for you guys. So please give the answer in the comment section, and please guys visit topmate.io/techno underscore uf. You will get to know all the recent questions, all the companies questions at very affordable price, and that will be very much helpful. Various prime members have given the feedbacks that they are getting selected using our prime materials, so please use it. Okay, so I hope you will do so. So thank you.